In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to add decimals. So let's begin. Let's start with the first problem, 3.2 plus 2.6. What you want to do is you want to line up the two numbers by the decimal. So you want to write it that way. And then you can add, column by column. So here we'll add 2 plus 6, which is 8. We'll bring down the decimal. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. So 3.2 plus 2.6, it adds to 5.8. Let's do the same for the second example. So first, we'll write the first number, 4.23, and then below that, we'll write 3.4. And let's make sure that the decimal point lines up. So whenever you're adding or subtracting decimals, you need to make sure that the decimal point lines up. So 3.4, you could think of that as 3.40 or 3.40. And then we can add up the numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 7.63. Go ahead and try these two examples. Add 3.68 and 2.17, and then 14.3 plus 4.96. Feel free to pause the video if you want to try it. So for the third example, the first thing we're going to do is line up the numbers by the decimal point. And now we can add them. So column by column, 8 plus 7 is 15. We're going to write the 5, carry over the 1. And then we're adding 1 plus 6 plus 1, which is 8. And then we'll rewrite the decimal point. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer is going to be 5.85. Now for the fourth example, let's begin by writing the numbers in such a way where the decimal points line up. 14.3 is the same as 14.30, so we can put a 0 there. So now let's add 6 plus 0, or 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 plus 9 is 12. We need to write the second digit, the 2, carry over the 1, and don't forget to write the decimal point. We need to make sure that remains lined up. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1, that's 9. And then the 1, you could bring it down. So the answer is going to be 19.26.